Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. Now it's time to play the holiday song. We are on page 40 of the John Thompson Thesis Piano Course Part 3. It seems that he's definitely in tune with the general mood that we have now in these days, yeah? Ready for holidays, summer holidays. We are finally facing now a key signature. We are going to play the holiday song in the key of A major. Thompson is saying play the A major scale and arpeggio every day. And indeed, I suggest you to play it every day. So when we have three sharps, 1, 2, 3, we are in A. With two sharps, as you should remember, we were in the key of D major. So pay attention one second. With one sharp, we are in the key of G. With the two sharps, we are in the key of D. With the three sharps, we are in the key of A. Start observing a very interesting and funny thing. How many keys do you notice in between G and D? 3 white keys. And how many notes, including the G and the D? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Keep in mind this number. Now, let's count the white keys in between D and A. Look, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 white keys, isn't it? Same as the 3 that we had here. And obviously by counting from the D to the A you do 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Same story. Same distance in between G and D. Keep in mind these. This is one of the most fascinating secrets of the music theory that you will have to master. The distance, the interval of fifth, that is in between every single key signature on something that we call the circle of fifths. And today I wanted to introduce even to you this magic topic of the music theory. Something that I've anyways explained. I don't think that you're following my Saturday tutorials. Couple of months ago I've explained what is the circle of fifths to those that are a little bit more advanced. Anyways, we have three sharps, you said. The third sharp that has been added is the G sharp. Why? We have F sharp that is the first, C sharp that is the second. Now you see the note that is on top of the fifth line, you see that let's say the core of this sharp is exactly, the center is exactly above the fifth line, on top of the fifth line. You see that it seems that it's sitting, this sharp, on the fifth line. If you go back to John Thompson's part 2, you will notice that the G that is lying on top of the fifth line has been indeed explained in the Thompson part 2. And here we are, that one is the G sharp. The scale is exactly this one, time to add this one. And pay attention, the fingering that you have been using in C major, in G major, in D major is the same identical fingering that you will be using in A major. Look, I am grouping again. 1, 2, 3, same as we had to do with the previous ones. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, same story. 1, 2, 3, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, same as the previous ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you end with the fifth. You restart with the fifth. Backwards, obviously, first of all, 4, 3, 2, 1 is like going back, going down, same as we did with the previous ones, isn't it? You see, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, then 3, 2, 1, and then you have the chords, same as you had the chords with the other ones. The left hand fingering is same as for the other ones, the same identical one. You start with a little finger, you see? Always 5 underneath. Then you have block of 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, same as you had 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Then you restart the 1, 2, 3, going backwards, same story. You go backwards, and here we are. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yeah? Same as the previous ones. and you end with 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth. I show you in practice how it looks like. I'm starting from this A to help the camera, even though this A is the A that should be exactly on the right side of the middle C, but I'm playing from here to help you. That's all, the left hand. And voila, this is A major that I suggest you, same as Thompson is suggesting you, to play every single day from now on. The scales, the arpeggios in the future, all the technical things should be definitely studied every day. And not only scales and arpeggios, because the technical exercises are so many, depending on the school that you're following, the technique that your teacher is going to teach you. Anyways, now let's play first of all the holiday song at higher speed, and then I will play at slower speed. I will play also the preparatory exercise for you. But first of all, holiday song. It's a very nice song. It is obvious that you have to remember that according to the key signature, now all the G's, D's, and obviously the following ones as well, have to be played sharpened. If you notice that here, since the composer of the song didn't want the G anymore sharp, place the natural sign that automatically is cancelled by the bar line. This one, despite the natural sign that we had here, according to the key signature, is automatically sharp. Regarding the pause or fermata, same as I mentioned in one of the previous pieces, if you have no idea yet of how long to stay, because you have to remember that the pause or fermata is asking you to stay longer, but how long? I suggest in general to those that didn't develop yet a very good musicality, to imagine that there is an extra bar. You do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So stay 3 extra counts. It sounds anyways interesting. Yeah? One day you will discover which one is the way. It depends on the size of the room where you play, on the sound in general. But these are things that are too complicated to be understood right now. That's why it's much better that you... It also depends on the speed in general of the piece. You will feel and you will understand which one is the right moment. But for now, simply think to stay maybe 3 extra counts. 3 because the bar is 3 beats long, yeah, isn't it? Now let's play it slower. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and stop. And voila, that's all. So simply keep in mind the 3 sharps that you have. It's very, very important. Now, as promised, I want to play for you the preparatory exercise. It is for the left hand, is in bass clef. It's an authentic preparation of what you will be doing, yeah? You see? A, C sharp, E, A, C sharp, E. Then immediately there is this pattern. G natural, C sharp and D. G natural, C sharp and D. Played also as a chord. Then the F sharp, A and D. Same as you have here. And then the preparation of this chord, exactly here. Also with a broken one, not only with a stationary one. Now, playing the preparatory exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Playing it very slow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's all. Now I think that with this one we have reached a very interesting level with Thompson Part 3, definitely higher. There are just few that are left and where there are interesting, very interesting things that will have to be introduced. Compound time signature, okay, signature with 3 flats, so something interesting. Just 3 pieces left out of this method. Probably in the near future I'm going to publish a questionnaire where I will ask if any of you following this method is willing to study, according to the will, to the suggestion of your teacher, is willing to study Thompson Part 4, and according maybe to the replies that I will get, to the amount of yes or no, I will maybe plan in the future to publish some Thompson Part 4 tutorial. For now, obviously, on top of these 3 pieces, I will stop with Thompson, and then I will take, obviously, my decision according to what you will suggest. Obviously not immediately, because I will change a little bit now direction, but you will discover which one will be the next direction. Anyways, if you have any questions, as usual, feel free to comment. Thank you very much, as usual, as I always say lately, to everybody that is subscribing to my channel. If it's the first time you're landing on this channel, thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.